You saw it on TikTok. The slicked bun, the rice water soak, the onion juice mask. It looked harmless. It looked natural. It looked like a miracle for hair growth. It is not. I am Dr. Elsie Khalifa, board-certified physician. These viral hair hacks are sending patients into my clinic with permanent hair loss. Not temporary shedding, permanent scarring, bald spots that will never grow back. Today, I am exposing the 5 worst viral hair hacks on social media. Hack number 1, the clean girl slicked bun. Every time you pull your hair back that tightly, you put tension on the hair follicle. The follicle stretches. The root weakens. Small bumps appear along your hairline. Those bumps are your follicles screaming for help. If you do this every day, you are causing traction alopecia. Traction alopecia is hair loss from pulling. It starts at the temples and hairline. In the beginning, it is reversible. Stop the pulling, the hair grows back. But if you keep doing it for months or years, the follicle scars. A scarred follicle is dead. It will never grow hair again. Not with Minoxidil, not with PRP, not with a transplant. If your hairstyle hurts, it is damaging your hair. Loosen the bun. Lower the ponytail. Give your scalp breaks. If you already have thinning at your hairline, stop today. Hack number 2, rice water soak. Rice water is full of starch and protein. A little protein is good for your hair. Too much protein causes protein overload. Your hair becomes brittle, stiff, and dry. Brittle hair does not grow longer. It snaps and breaks off. You think your hair is not growing. The truth is, it is growing and then breaking immediately. There are also risks of bacterial contamination. Rice water sits at room temperature. Bacteria love room temperature starch water. You soak your scalp in that and you can develop folliculitis, infected hair follicles, painful red bumps, pus, scarring if severe. If you want to use rice water once a month maximum, use fresh, not fermented. Dilute it, rinse thoroughly. But honestly, there are better options. Hack number 3, onion juice and garlic on the scalp. This one makes me angry. Onion juice contains sulfur. Sulfur is involved in hair follicle function, but onions and garlic contain sulfoxides and thiosulfonates. These are chemical compounds designed to repel predators. I have seen patients come in with contact dermatitis from onion juice. Red, burning, peeling scalp, blisters, oozing. In severe cases, chemical burns that scar the follicle. Permanent hair loss from trying to grow hair. There is one small, low-quality study on onion juice for alopecia areata. That is not evidence. If you want sulfur for your hair, eat eggs. Eat garlic in your food. Do not blend it and pour it on your head. Hack number 4, DIY keratin treatments at home. Many at-home kits contain formaldehyde or formaldehyde-releasing preservatives. Formaldehyde is a known carcinogen. It causes cancer. It is also a potent irritant. When you heat it with a flat iron, you release fumes that burn your eyes, nose, and throat. I have seen patients develop scalp burns, respiratory reactions, and allergic contact dermatitis from these products. The hair might look smooth temporarily. The damage to your scalp and lungs is not worth it. Go to a professional. Accept your natural texture. Do not play chemist with carcinogens. Hack number 5, coconut oil on everything. Coconut oil is not bad. For thick, coarse, dry hair, it can be helpful. But coconut oil is comedogenic. It clogs pores. Your scalp has pores. If you have an oily scalp, dandruff, or seborrheic dermatitis, coconut oil will make it worse. The oil traps yeast and bacteria against your scalp. I have seen patients develop scalp acne, inflamed follicles, and increased flaking from daily coconut oil use. If you have fine hair, an oily scalp, or a history of dandruff, use a lighter oil like jojoba or argan. Or skip oils entirely. So what should you do instead? Here are 5 evidence-based options. Number 1, use a gentle sulfate-free shampoo. Clean scalp equals healthy follicles. Number 2, scalp massage for 5 minutes a day. Increases blood flow to follicles. No risk of burns or breakage. Number 3, Minoxidil, decades of research. Consult your doctor first. Number 4, rosemary oil diluted into a carrier oil. Patch test first. Stop if irritated. Number 5, see a board-certified dermatologist. Get a diagnosis. Treat the actual cause, not a trending hack. Here is the bottom line. If a viral hack sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Your hair is not a science experiment. You have one scalp. You have a limited number of follicles. When they are gone, they are gone. Scarring alopecia does not grow back. These trends target desperate people. Influencers exploit that desperation for views and likes. I am not here to be popular. I am here to be honest. Stop the slicked bun. Stop the rice water. Stop the onion juice. Stop the DIY keratin. Stop assuming coconut oil is for everyone. Start using evidence-based care. Start seeing a real doctor. Start treating your hair with respect. I am Dr. Elsie Khalifa. If you learned something today, hit like. Share this video with someone who needs to see it. You might save their hairline. Subscribe for more unfiltered medical truth every week. See you in the next video.